Ariana.
Wingardium Leviosa. What are you saying? What's up everyone, I'm Connor Maynard.
And I'm Ariana Maynard.
And we are on the Girl Talk World channel, so welcome. We are going to be playing the Whisper game today, Whisper Challenge game today. Which basically Anna is going to be wearing these noise cancelling headphones with music playing, so she cannot hear me whatsoever. And I'm going to be reading out phrases or words, and she's basically going to have to read my lips and try and figure out what it is that I'm saying.
Cool.
So, let's do this. Making the llama go to bed was difficult.
Me and the llama. I actually can't hear you.
Making the llama go to bed was difficult.
Making the llama. I don't know the letter.
There's more.
Making the llama play sport.
Making the llama go to bed was difficult.
And me and the llama go to bed.
Making the llama go to bed was difficult.
Making the llama go to bed
Was difficult.
was different.
Was difficult. Was difficult.
Was difficult. Making the llama go to bed was difficult.
Yeah! She got it. She sells seashells at Brighton Beach.
Seashells.
She sells seashells at Brighton Beach.
She sells seashells on Brighton Beach.
At Brighton Beach.
At Brighton Beach.
Hey!
I can't say it.
Is the music still playing?
Huh?
Okay, yeah, it is. The noisy monkeys are dancing in the jungle. The noisy monkeys are dancing in the jungle.
The Arctic monkeys.
The noisy monkeys are dancing in the jungle.
The Arctic monkeys went to see the show.
The noisy monkeys.
The noisy monkeys.
The noisy monkeys are dancing in the jungle.
The noisy uncles like to.
The noisy uncles. My noisy uncle.
The noisy monkeys like to juggle.
The noisy monkeys are dancing in the jungle.
The noisy monkeys are dancing in the jungle.
Hey!
Okay guys, so now it's Connor's turn to wear the headphones and I'm going to be reading out some of these. You ready? Yeah. He's ready. Okay, so. I wish you could sing like Ariana Grande.
I wish Karen would tell me her real name.
I wish you could sing like Ariana Grande.
I wish you looked like Karen. I wish Karen.
I wish you could
I wish
sing.
Sharon. Sharon.
I wish you could. I wish you could.
Susan.
You. I wish you could.
I wish you could.
Sing.
I wish you could.
Sing like Ariana Grande.
Sphere. I wish you could. A sandwich.
Sing.
Sandwich.
Sing.
Oh, I wish you could sing.
Like Ariana Grande.
Like Karen Holiday.
Ariana Grande.
Like Harry Potter.
Ariana Grande.
Harry Ellen DeGeneres.
Ariana.
Harry Kane.
Ariana.
Harry
Ariana.
I have no idea what that name is. Is that a person? Harry. Carrie.
Ariana.
Wingardium Leviosa. What are you saying?
Ariana.
Harry Hannah.
Ariana.
Harry Hannah. Hannah Montana.
No. Ariana Grande.
I have no idea what you're saying. It literally looks like you're saying. Say it again.
Ariana.
Harry Kanda.
What rhymes with that? Ariana.
Say it clearly.
Ariana.
Enrique.
So, I wish you could.
I wish you could sing like.
Ariana. Ariana.
I have to give up. I have no idea what that name is.
Ariana. Ariana Grande.
Oh, Ariana Grande. I have no idea.
Ariana? Is that her name? Am I saying it wrong? Ariana? I was going Ariana afterwards.
Oh, okay.
Mayonnaise and chocolate don't mix.
Becky with the good hair.
No. Mayonnaise and chocolate don't mix.
Elastic, Boomtastic.
Mayonnaise
Mayonnaise.
and chocolate don't mix.
Mayonnaise is not me. Mayonnaise is not good for me.
No.
Mayonnaise is not good with me.
And chocolate.
My mayonnaise has colour.
Mayonnaise and chocolate.
Mayonnaise has chocolate.
And chocolate.
Mayonnaise and chocolate
Don't mix.
don't mix.
Yeah. Mayonnaise and chocolate.
Mayonnaise and chocolate don't mix.
Yeah, well done.
Well,
So guys, that's it. We finished. Thanks for watching.
hope you enjoyed it.
Hope you enjoyed watching our
Whisper challenge.
Whisper Challenge on Girls Talk World.
Bye guys.
Bye.